मेरा वो क्यों? इसको बंद कर दे। स्टॉप स्टॉप चालू।
अच्छा मैं बोलता हूँ टॉपिक किसके लिए अभी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सागरिका के लिए ओके ओके टॉक अबाउट द ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम इन मुंबई जो सबसे दुख पहुंचाने वाला टॉपिक वो
उसे एक दिन पहले 4 घंटा लगा
ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम इन मुंबई and how to cope with it.
Chakshu's yawning, it's boring.
Landed on your
The only problem is curb everyone's income and increase unemployment. And no one can afford a car. Yeah.
No,
what sort of government does you make?
No one can afford cars.
Government is working, huh? Government has made it such a broad highways, everything is done.
There are very
management problem.
Talk about positive.
Just take the train.
Okay. One of the change the topic. Let's talk about the positive ways of changing.
Positive ways.
The question is, everyone's saying happy, but what are we doing?
Yes.
Everyone's on plane.
No, that is why I'm saying being positive. How to cope with the problem. With that problem. Traffic.
They have to make such a laws like people should have a little
Okay,
fear of themselves.
Traffic issue. How to cope with the problem.
हो गया ना वही बता रहा है.
नहीं आंसर दे दिए.
How do I stop this, Bua?
The fear is there. No one will come and
Bua, how do I stop this?
First, ना red one.
हिंदी में बोलना है या
और इसमें एडल्ट्स का भी होगा।
आजकल स्टॉप वॉच नहीं आता है. आता है.
मेरे पास है ऐसा.
आईफोन में है
Blackberry में है.
ये रहा.
अरे ये मूवी रीड बनाओ तो देखना होगा सब। नहीं इंग्लिश में हिंदी में दोनों मिक्स कर सकते हो as long as we understand.
Okay, go.
First one. Clever woman is one of
Can we close the music?
is one of the most important issues in the world now. It's increasing year by year. The climate is changing in all the countries and around the world. And I don't know what to say about global warming, honestly. Oh yeah. All the trees, we're losing all the green forest, and that's leading to loss of lives and habitats, which is affecting the population. Also, the melting of glaciers is causing the sea levels to rise, which is leading to flooding.
Yay! That was wonderful.
अभी शैली तेरा कौन सा नंबर था?
Irrespective आप randomly choose कर रहे हो ना?
वो तो है, पर तेरा नंबर ही चूज करना चाहती हूँ। बोल क्या है? 6 चल जा सागो। Okay, marriage versus divorce.
Wait, how's that? Obviously marriage.
No.
Why divorce?
After marriage,
So what's the
divorce
question?
देते हैं उसका family पे क्या effect पड़ता है?
Just one
All
more.
right. So
Marriage.
marriage is better
I
than
want to
divorce.
stop.
Or divorce.
Marriage is basically bonding with families, making families, or obviously you can have bigger families, nuclear families. Whereas obviously divorcing does affect your family foundation, the way you are with your children, or it's not only children, it's your social life as well. Usually people think if you get divorced you would only have problems with your children, you can't meet them often. But I think it's also with your social life. So imagine you have a group of friends you meet up with, and like a few years ago, you used to go to parties as couples, but now you'll be going separately, or maybe not even going to social parties thinking, thinking that, okay, yeah, they're going to judge me because I'm divorced. Obviously, divorce rates are increasing in the UK, USA, India, I'm not so sure about.
Bombay, yes.
Bombay, yeah. And you have loads of single parents. I'm not saying divorcing or getting divorced is bad. All I'm saying is, if you do want to get divorced, there should be some sort of limit to when you get divorced and when you don't get divorced. There should be a balance. The things are getting really worse, where there's something like abuse or harming someone, then yeah, divorce is acceptable. But if you think about just divorcing because you're having little arguments, you can't deal with them, that's not the right thing. Because it's not only affecting your family members, like I said, it's also social life, friends. And then even in Indian cultures, you're always taught to stay with family, build on like the whole foundation. And if you break that off, I don't think you're kind of sticking to your Indian culture. But I'm not saying if you're being abused or something, then obviously you have to move out of it, start a new life, and be big.
This is the worst medium status comes in.
Is it?
Management. Was it? अब शैली तेरा नंबर क्या है?
2.
बैठी रह. तेरा क्या था? 4. Good. आजा.
I'm 2.
You're 4.
I'm 2.
Cheating कर रहे हैं? I just want you to go. 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 You're 5. Same topic as Sagrika.
Hey, please.
अरे it's okay, it's okay.
ये हमारी बेटा बेस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा और ये बहुत जरूरी चीज है और तुम लोगों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. हम तो अपनी लाइफ जी चुके.
Okay.
Speak for yourself. You should know कि how important these things are.
Okay.
और तुझे ये बताओ तेरी कजिन क्या सोचती है, शैली क्या सोचती है, तो तुम ये चीजें और फ्यूचर में फोर्स करेंगे कि क्या डिसीजन लेना.
शादी करने की नहीं वो डिसीजन करेंगे उसके
कुमार ऐसे मैं आपका नंबर नहीं ले रही हूँ.
इस यंग जनरेशन की बात हो रही है, ओल्ड की नहीं हो रही है.
नहीं नहीं आप लोग प्यार है.
I haven't much thought about this.
Well, I don't think Sagu also thinks about it every time.
Yeah,
You don't have- okay.
make up stuff. I was like, okay.
Okay, first let's define marriage. What does marriage actually
Like
mean to one person?
Typical.
This is good. And there's stuff about me.
No.
You guys are participant. You are not supposed to.
No, I'm complimenting him. An IB student starts this
In
way.
between, no.
In
बाद
between.
में comments,
Okay.
please.
That is okay. IPO या
No comments in
Did
between.
you really miss this?
Okay, first let's define what a marriage is. What is a marriage to one person? What's the significance of a marriage? When a person is meeting another person before they get married, the first thing that they look at another person's qualities and whether they'll be able to hold up with it for the rest of their lives. So when you do that, when people, usually there's 2 types of marriages, love marriage and arranged marriage. And some people say that when you come for love marriage, you have more divorces. And some people say that if you're arranged, it stays on for much longer. But my opinion is when you go through a love marriage, you know the person's qualities better and there are lesser chances for divorces and you've chosen that person by yourself. So now the topic comes up to marriage or divorce. And when you're talking about marriage, if you do not always stay intact with each other and cannot be supporting each other, always have negative vibes, counteracting with each other, the best thing to do is to stay apart. And some people always think that divorce has a negative connotation, but also when you look at it optimistically, some people do it because they want to stay happy, and some people do end up more happy towards the end after they get divorced. And that's the best thing to do because you don't want to keep your children under the exposure of your fights or your constant physical arguments, whatever it is. That's one thing about divorce, and that's a positive thing about divorce. Whereas staying in a marriage, you stay committed, and if you see that you give your child that proper nurturing that you have to give. And if in America, since the divorce rates are high, you can see most of the children have been going through drugs. The more the crime rates are increasing every day. So there are always bad and good effects of each side of the argument.
यार divorce के 1000 फायदे हैं, शादी का एक फायदा क्या है तुझे? हैं? शादी का एक फायदा, divorce के 15?
Yeah, that is his view. You have to give.
That's dangerous, huh?
No, it's not dangerous. Nothing is dangerous.
Okay,
Open
Shelly,
to the-
your views please.
On the same topic.
Same topic.
Has it?
Why
You
not?
talking
But
about
you
your
will
topic.
change. Yeah, man.
कार की सबसे पहले बड़ी मम्मी आज सारे मंदिर क्यों देख रहे हैं? चल Shelly, थोड़ा सा 2 लाइन दो भी
नहीं.
जाओ अभी तो बड़े पापा के भी सुनेंगे यार. I know you are getting.
अरे वो नया प्रोग्राम आया ना, लव मैरिज वर्सेस अरेंज मैरिज.
अरे
So I'll give you some points. See, arranged marriage अगरबत्ती आगे तरफ.
I was just thinking that when you were saying, I'm like agarbatti and diya. I thought about that.
अगरबत्ती और मोमबत्ती.
Lord.
नहीं नहीं, एक नया सीरियल चालू है, अरेंज मैरिज और लव मैरिज.
बस.
नहीं तो अगरबत्ती क्या बोला हमने?
उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? जो अरेंज मैरिज है वो अगरबत्ती जैसी होती है, लंबी चलती है.
चलो Shelly टाइम
शादी से चलती है लेकिन लंबी चलती है.
हाँ.
लव मैरिज इज लाइक अ मोमबत्ती, जलती है बुझती है.
अच्छा.
What? I'm like out of thoughts. I feel like Chakshan hasn't covered everything.
बेटा शादी के फायदे बहुत कम गिनाए, हम तुम्हारे लोगों पे डिपेंड है. बोलो.
Let us get into that phase now.
Yeah.
I know, man.
Let us stop.
Let's talk. Okay. Boyfriend or no
मोटिवेट होना
boyfriend?
चाहते हैं.
What? That will beat us all now when he starts speaking.
आजकल की जनरेशन खुश करने के लिए कुछ नहीं बोलती है, जो है वो बोलती
नहीं
है.
वो आज हमें हमारे लिए बोल रही है ताकि हम सोचें हमारे बच्चे ऐसा सोचते हैं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, किसी ने भी नहीं ऐसा सोचा है, इसलिए that's why they are so fair.
Yeah. You give your opinion, fair opinion. Whatever you feel is right, you can talk.
किड्स तो पेरेंट्स की रिफ्लेक्शन होता है.
नहीं जरूरी नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं. अब मैं इसी पर जाऊँ तो Shelly रह जाएगी.
Hello.
अच्छा कोई और टॉपिक दे दो उसको.
नहीं नहीं इसी पे बोलेंगे. फिर
चलो.
अगला टॉपिक.
ये थैंक यू.
One no phones allowed.
इमरजेंसी.
कुमार के ऑफिस का फोन बजर नाम है इनबॉक्स.
अच्छा लड़ने का चालू हो गया. बस बस हो गया.
Topic change.
Zero.
Dot. Speak.
I've never liked public speaking.
क्या? कपड़ा.
Shall we speak?
Everyone's going. I need an audience.
32 पे.
I'm
बंद कर दे, पॉज कर दे बेटा.
Come.
Come.
I'm marketing my Buddhism.
Pardon?
I'm marketing my Buddhism.
Okay.
That's really isn't a confidence booster, yo. Okay, anyways. I forgot what I was saying. Thanks, Dad.
तो मैंने नंबरिंग नहीं देखा.
कोई बात नहीं.
ओके तब तक आगे आप बोलो. चलो.
अरे सारी वो wasting time. Time is precious.
Next you. Be ready for it.
Okay, तो मैं
तभी फर्स्ट टॉपिक में बोले, सेकंड वाले में बोले. बुद्धिज्म पे बोले.
चल बोल. Start.
Okay, so Buddhism.
Okay, तो मैं पहले बोल रही हूँ.
Interrupting.
At least she's ready.
Go.
मेरा सिर्फ
No, you have to speak at least for 30 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. And no pausing.
Okay, then you go.
Okay, then you.
Think about it.
You come over here, you forget what you
Actually,
said.
give out topic before.
नहीं बुद्धिज्म में हम बोल रहे हैं.
तेरा
सब
नंबर
बोल रहे
क्या
हैं.
Wagyu sir.
6.
House chores for girls and boys.
ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है वही तो सॉल्व करूँगी.
Amma. House chores for husband.
Okay, Buddhism. Guys.
Wait. Joint family versus nuclear family. Go. Working women.
No, I do have a space for that.
सबका दोबारा आएगा. हर टॉपिक पे हर कोई बोलेगा. सबके व्यूज चाहिए हमें भी. ये टॉपिक नहीं, वो टॉपिक नहीं चलेगा, है ना?
Charlie.
Okay, so
चलो start.
Buddhism, right? Okay. So Buddhism is basically a sacred practice that we've been doing for the past, I was in the 10th grade, so that would be at least 4 years now. And it's become a very disciplined part of my life. You do it morning and evening for the past 4 years, and when I think of it right now, that's quite a big deal. Something you do twice a day, and I don't even realize why, because it's just become a part of your life, and that shows that if you really want something to become a part of your life, like how Dad keeps saying, get yoga to be a part of your life, get this to be a part of your life, it's difficult. But if you really discipline and focus yourself, then you can definitely do that. I feel like Buddhism really helps me focus. So sometimes I feel really lazy and don't want to chant. But then I realize that when I do sit and chant, I don't feel guilty as much for not chanting. And I don't know if it has powerful powers or anything, and it actually like sends attraction to the universe and helps what I want. But I do know for sure that this Buddhism practice helps me realize what's my goal on a daily basis. Every day when I sit in front of the Gohanzon, I realize that this is what I'm aiming for in life and I have to work towards it. So every small thing gets focused towards that. So even during my summer vacation, if I'm chanting, I realize that I want to go back to my new school and be very successful, be on top. What do I have to do for